Hello everyone, this is Ralph from Ralph's Trucking. It is August 1st. This year is flowing by. Here in Pennsylvania doing a 34-hour restart. His company reached out to me and asked me different products. Renegade. They do a lot of polishing and stuff like that. Stuff to mop the floors. Let's look at my floors. My floors are always dirty because the places we go to, mud, dirt. I blow the truck out. I wipe it a lot of times with Lysol wipes. A lot of times I use orange cleaner and a dry mop to mop the floors. It's been a while since I mopped the floors. Let's look at how bad they are. I just blew out the floors. I usually keep water over here and stuff over there, but it's time for a good mopping. So we're gonna do a test and see what does better. This is before. I've moved everything off the floor. Like I said, I usually keep water over there, I keep other stuff. I do have a carpet I usually put on the floor. I buy a 3-pack on Amazon. I think it was like 20 bucks. I usually have it in the wintertime. After I get done mopping the floors, I'll put that back down. I got 2 of them. I might put one there too. So let's look at these products a little closer. This is the before. Like I said, I just use like a dry mop to mop the floors. But supposed to read. You dilute this in some water. So I'm gonna get a water bottle and I'm gonna pour a little bit of this in with the floor. But I'm also gonna try Renegade Mop Tok. I'm gonna try Lysol wipe and orange cleaner. I'm gonna do a little section on the floor, see which is best. Like I said, I'm gonna dilute this in a little bit of water. So let me get a open bottle of water. All right, as the directions say, 1 32-ounce bottle. This is a 32-ounce bottle, makes 1 gallon of product. I don't need a gallon in here. I just need a little bit to mop the floors. Like I said, I just dry mop the floors. Got a little bit of water. It's got a safety cap on it. This is the first time I've opened it. I don't know how it smells. Got a nice smell to it. Not too strong. Like I said, I'm just gonna I might have put a 1/4 cup in there and a 1/2 cup of water, because the floors are definitely needing to clean. But like I said, we'll shake it up and make sure to wash the floor and then throw away the bottle. But I'm going to put the safety cap back in it. This one bottle here will probably last me a very long time by diluting it. I might give some friends some of this too, but this is it mixed up. Let me see it. Still got that nice smell. So let's look at the floors. Okay, I moved my few things there. So we're going to do one little section of each. Well, let's do it now. All right, one area orange clean. We'll soak it real good. Let it sit. There's usually I do that. And a little bit of Renegade. And I let the orange cleaner last longer. Alright, let me let this dry, see what it looks better. Alright, I got paper towel. So let's do all the floors with the Renegade. I'm just going to pour it on the floors and dry mop it. Alright, I've mopped everything. I made a little bit more because floors were nasty. So we'll let this dry and see what it looks like. So you can see it a lot better than it did. And you can take this to the mop head, to the spigot, and wash it out. But see, a lot cleaner than it was. Let's look at it when it dries. What I do is put the mop head in a shower in a grocery bag where I can wash it out later. Being a truck driver, you only got so much room for stuff. This can make a whole gallon, but like I said, I've used that much of the product. Maybe 16 ounces of water, and it's drying out and it's looking quite clear. Give it a few more minutes. But I usually keep a case of water there. Over here I keep my Propel type waters. And over there I carry a lot of water with me. Right there is probably 7 cases of water. Alright, the floors are for the most part dry. Like I said, I keep a case of water there, sometimes 2, some Propels and other stuff behind the seats. I got my waters back. Good. Propel. Water over here. Water over there. Extra pair of shoes. Because you never know. You might need them. Underneath the seat, I got tennis shoes in case I need it. Floors feel smooth. Almost slippery on my work boots. But yes, you could use a regular mop, but limited space in the truck, limited ability to water. I just used a water bottle and a dry mop. If it gets too bad, I just throw it away, buy a refill, or wash it out, let it dry, and just do a dry mop. The smell smells good, refreshing. I can't pinpoint exactly what it is, but check out the Renegade products. They offer a bunch of cleaning and polishing stuff for them. Thank you for sending the information, the stuff to me. If you have glass cleaner for inside, let me know, because I could use it. Well, I just got done taking a shower. So this is about an hour later. She's all nice and dry. Very clean. Check out the Renegade products. Like I said, they have a bunch of cleaning and polishing kits out there. They sent me this to try. It's been well over an hour. It took 45 minutes just to get in line for the shower here at the Loves. I'm doing a 34. Come back to the truck hour and a half later. Still smells fresh. Like I said, I am a truck driver, so it's hard to get water, mop, bucket, whatever. So I do the dry mop like I showed in my videos. I'm gonna keep doing that because it smells good and the floors look good. That's all that matters. Make sure you thumb up the video. Leave a comment down below if you ever tried any Renegade products. And thank you for watching. I'll talk to you next time.